I can sentences. I can study. I can study. I can sleep. I can sleep. I can eat. I can eat. I can walk. I can walk. I can talk. I can talk. I can help. I can help. I can play. I can play. I can smile. I can smile. I can draw. I can draw. I can paint. I can paint. I can think. I can think. I can listen. I can listen. I can teach. I can teach. I can learn. I can learn. I can count. I can count. I can work. I can work. I can shop. I can shop. I can clean. I can clean. I can fix it. I can fix it. I can open it. I can open it. I can close it. I can close it. I can find it. I can find it. I can see you. I can see you. I can hear you. I can hear you. I can read fast. I can read fast. I can speak well. I can speak well. I can draw a cat. I can draw a cat. I can write a poem. I can write a poem. I can wash my hands. I can wash my hands. I can make a cake. I can make a cake. I can use a computer. I can use a computer. I can type quickly. I can type quickly. I can lift this bag. I can lift this bag. I can call my friend. I can call my friend. I can send a message. I can send a message. I can take a photo. I can take a photo. I can make tea. I can make tea. I can make coffee. I can make coffee. I can iron clothes. I can iron clothes. I can feed the cat. I can feed the cat. I can water the plants. I can water the plants.